In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your mic not working in Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. The first thing you can try is going onto your profile, settings, and click on settings once more. If you go onto the audio part, you are going to make sure that your voice chat input device is the actual input device that you use. For example, if I use Focusrite USB, that is what I'm going to make sure it's set to. You're also going to make sure that your output device is set correctly as well to make sure you're hearing other people. And take note of your voice chat method. If it's push to talk and your mic's not working, you might not be clicking the correct button. For example, if it's push to talk, you can then go to your keybinds and make sure that your push to talk is the correct button that you're clicking. Now, the final thing that you can check is your audio settings. Now, once settings opens up, you're just going to make sure that your input device is the proper input device. Right now it's using my webcam, but that's not the right input device. So if my mic wasn't working, I would click the correct audio device. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.